Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to enable email notifications on Facebook using your PC. If you want to stay updated with all your Facebook activities without having to log in every time, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. Now, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This will lead you to a new set of options. Next, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down the left sidebar until you find the Notifications section. Click on it. You'll then see a variety of notification options to choose from. Scroll down until you find the Email category. This is where you can manage how you receive notifications via email. Now, under the email frequency options, you'll want to choose All. This ensures that you won't miss any important updates from your friends, groups, and pages you follow. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll now receive email notifications for all your Facebook activities. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.